Ever wanted to easily split a restaurant bill with friends, or maybe sell some old clothes online but hate dealing with cash? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into Venmo, the popular peer-to-peer payment app. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to making secure purchases and even exploring some of the cool features you might not know about. First things first, let's get you signed up. You can download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play. Quick and easy, the sign-up process is super straightforward. Just enter your phone number, email address, and create a strong password. Link your bank account or card. To send or receive money, you'll need to link your bank account or debit card. Venmo is super secure and uses encryption to protect your financial information. Choose a username. This is how your friends will find you on the app. Keep it creative, but also professional if you plan to use Venmo for business. Now, let's get to the fun part, sending money. Find your recipient. You can search for your friends by phone number, email, or username. Enter the amount, type in the amount you want to send. Add a note, optional. This could be anything from "thanks for dinner" to "for that awesome concert." Choose a payment method, select the bank account or card you want to use. Confirm and send, double-check everything and hit send. Receiving money. Receiving money is just as easy. Requests. You can request money from friends by tapping the request button. Accepting payments. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification. Simply accept the payment to have the funds deposited into your linked bank account or available for use within the Venmo balance. Venmo isn't just for splitting bills and paying back friends. It can also be used for buying and selling goods and services. Selling items. List your item. Create a clear and concise description of the item you're selling. Include high-quality photos. Set your price. Be realistic about the value of your item. Request payment. When someone expresses interest, request payment through the Venmo app. Ship or deliver. Once the payment is received, ship the item or arrange for delivery. Buying items. Find what you're looking for, browse through the Venmo feed or search for specific items. Check seller reviews, see what other users have to say about the seller before making a purchase. Pay safely. Always use the Venmo app to make payments to ensure buyer protection. Important note, always prioritize safety when buying or selling through Venmo. Be wary of deals that seem too good to be true. Now, let's explore some of the cool features you might not know about. Venmo card. The Venmo card allows you to use your Venmo balance anywhere Visa is accepted. Splitting bills. Easily split bills with friends by creating a group payment. Donations. You can easily donate to charities directly through the Venmo app. Business profiles. If you're a business owner, you can create a business profile to make it easier for customers to find and pay you. Tips for using Venmo safely. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Review your account activity. Regularly check your transaction history for any suspicious activity. Be mindful of scams. Be wary of unsolicited requests or offers. Never share your password or account information with anyone. Troubleshooting common issues. Payment issues. If you're having trouble sending or receiving money, check your internet connection and make sure you have sufficient funds. Account limitations. If your account is limited, you may need to verify your identity or address. Customer support. If you encounter any problems, contact Venmo customer support for assistance. Venmo is a fantastic tool for simplifying your financial life. It's easy to use, secure, and offers a wide range of features. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends, selling some old clothes, or simply making a quick payment, Venmo has you covered. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.